Hi traders, this is Dale Pinkert at Forex Stop Hunter on Twitter, also the trading coach and mentor in the Eagle's Nest. So earlier in the week I was talking about exuberance in the gold market up around the 1340, 1345 level that we were due for a correction, and definitely it got going after the Fed yesterday. We're down very close to $20 in 2 days. So this is the beginning of what could be a correction in gold. I will not rule out rallies, even a retest of the highs, but I'm looking for new shorting opportunities on strength in the coming weeks. Perhaps a sell-off in equities might spark a flow back into gold. But wanted to demonstrate with gold that when all the people are long and there's no bearish arguments, it's time to get a little bit jaded. Now, I want to show the silver chart too. I talked about that not possibly not making a new high, but I provided the daily chart here, and the lesson is as gold was rallying, silver yesterday took out this high. This high was at, call it 1617, and the high yesterday was 1619 and a half. So people that were bearish silver had their stops right above this swing high. Don't do that. My Twitter handle is Forex Stop Hunter, and there's a reason for that, and that is that algos, oh, when I was on the floor, it was open outcry with men and women screaming, going into buy stops and sell stops. And people ask me, Dale, how do you know where the stops are? And I say, well, imagine you're short the market. Where would you put your stop? And, most people before yesterday would say, well, above this high. So I say, yeah, well, that's where everyone's is. So people that got stopped out up here at this 1619 level are looking at the market 30 cents lower underneath their stop because they did not give it enough tolerance. Reduce your leverage and let your trades breathe. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on Kiwi yen as well, something I had talked about earlier in the week before it manifested. And I was talking about one formation that I teach and am fairly well known for, and that's a three drive to a top formation. And I've included the 4 hour chart, so I put it out there when we were here saying looking to sell the next high, that I'm looking for risk off to come in. And as you can see from this, I said between 76.20 and 50, the high was 76.32. So as you can tell, already 100 points to the downside. And in fact, Aussie yen being the classic risk-off pair in FX is even weaker today. So stock market trying to turn down. This will be my last update for the week. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. Adios and good hunting.